guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BoxyCharm unboxing for January. It does come with a card that tells you about your products on the back. I'm going to set that aside for just a moment, but I'll remember to show it at the end. And the first thing I'm pulling out looks like another palette. Ciate London, the Velvet Palette. 12-piece eyeshadow palettes. We'll take a look at that. If you are an eyeshadow palette collector, definitely the subscription for you, because you get one every month, it seems. This is cute, and it does feel velvety. Ooh, that's really pretty. Cover up the mirror so I don't blind you. It looks like sand across the desert, the way it's stamped into there. Very pretty. Shimmery. That's beautiful. So that's one item. Also have Pharmacy Daily Greens. This is an oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. I'm always looking for new moisturizers, though a lot of them, I really like thick moisturizers because I have like really dry skin. But the problem with that is a lot of them, because they're so thick, they do clog my pores, and then I get like this gross acne. So it's hard to find a good one that won't do that. Oh man, that smells so good. Ooh, that smells nice. Excited to have that. You hear my daughter in the background. She's screaming because she's brushing her teeth and she doesn't like it. So sorry if you hear that. And this, let's see if I can just slide it out. Maybe not. Oh, there's like crystals at the bottom, maybe? What is this even? Oh, okay. Quartz infused. Reset Mist. It has lavender, I guess. It's lavender body and linen spray. That's cute. And you could see them floating along in there. That's really cool. Haven't had anything like that. Also have, what is this? Eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, I believe. Dragon Duo. There's two in here. Definitely use that. Love black eyeliner. This is nice packaging too. Nice. So we have like a gel and then a liquid eyeliner. Very pretty. And then DNA from Dr. Brandt. This is a triple peptide eye cream. So this is all stuff I'll probably use, which is awesome. That's my problem with beauty subscriptions. They often send me stuff like I just don't use, like bronzer or certain things, but this is an awesome box. All really nice full-size items. I'll show you the card here. So the eyeshadow palette is $30. The moisturizer is $38. The Reset Mist is $36. Wow, the Dr. Brandt eye cream is $82. And then the Duo eyeliners are $28. So really, really good value. If you guys are interested in joining, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.